This is what you have not been told about consuming mature bananas. In brief moments, a written explanation. One of the most delicious fruits that exist in this world is the banana, or banana. In many countries this fruit can be consumed at all times of the year, and one of its main benefits to health is potassium, which prevents cramps in the body. Many avoid eating this fruit because of the high sugar content, but only have to consume it in moderation. But in this video we will give you the reason why you should not despise the banana when it is ripe, since it still has a great nutritional content and many avoid eating it. Benefits of eating ripe bananas. 1. Reduce depression and combat hypertension in addition to others. What I just mentioned, that are only one of the few benefits of all that can achieve the camber in our body. We can also mention others specific such as tumor necrosis factor. What does this mean? In a recent research it was determined that the mature camboron provides our body which is released through our immune system and acts on other cells helping them to prevent cancer. The result is that the more mature the banana, the better it is. Many avoid eating bananas with black spots, but these are the nutrients and antioxidants that can provide the body, as the starch it contains is transformed into simple sugar when mature, which facilitates digestion. In the same study done in Japan they tried grapes and apples among other fruits, and it was determined that the banana provides the most benefits. Consuming this fruit helps with raising defenses and preventing diseases. It is confirmed that the number of white cells and immune system defenses can increase up to 8 times more by eating mature bananas. It also increases digestion. This is due to its high fiber content, which facilitates the functioning of the intestines. In addition, this fruit contains large amounts of electrolytes. It also improves bone health. This is due to its high and rich content of potassium and in fructooligosaccharido, that facilitates the absorption of the calcium, therefore the health becomes stable in our bones. Finally, it maintains good cardiac health, since the same potassium collaborates with the reduction of the irrigation of the retention of liquids that affects the cardiac health.